That's incredible. What's your name, miss? Rachel and? Deborah. Rachel and Deborah. How is your name older than hers? Deborah? Jesus Christ. Were you Gertrude? The fuck? Deborah? What were you thinking, Mom? When was your birthday, Deb? July? You don't ever give your actual full birthday. July? Okay, that's a good. What'd you get? Anything cool? Trauma. Ooh. Pause on the show. Trauma. What happened? Someone hit you?
My stepmom and I got into an argument. She was not talking to me.
Your stepmom you got to relearn what the word trauma is. My stepmom didn't talk to me. Wow. Oh, Deb.